In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can disable Google passwords autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and the switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click, as you can see, my switcher and all of those features turned gray, which means that autofill is definitely off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!